Traditional metering is slow, manual, and reactive. Technicians travel site to site and data collection takes time, often leading to human error, delays, and missed opportunities to make timely business decisions. Smart metering starts with smart communication. It's not just about collecting data. It's about enabling reliable advanced metering infrastructure and automated meter reading operations that deliver the right data at the right time. The Finch provides real-time meter readings and automated data delivery directly from the edge. For utilities, municipalities, and property estates, the Finch transforms traditional metering into a fully digital, utility-grade, advanced metering infrastructure solution. No more manual inspections, no unnecessary site visits, just secure, wireless, automated meter reading.